Hello, my name is Dr. Melissa Pigott. I am co-owner and founder of Magnus Research Consultants. I am also the Director of Research for Magnus Research Consultants. I'm going to spend the next few minutes explaining the basic steps in our research process. First, the client contacts Magnus and provides us with case information so that we can do a conflict check. Magnus prepares a written proposal detailing the custom-designed research program for the case. The client retains Magnus and a research day is set. The research associate finds a facility to hold the research day in the venue where the client's case will be held. The client provides case documents via our secure client portal, which are then reviewed by me. Important case issues are outlined to ensure they are included in our research. The juror recruiting process starts about 4 weeks prior to the research day. The recruiting company makes cold calls to jury-eligible citizens in the trial venue and follows a custom screener to screen out unqualified jurors. A conference call is scheduled for the clients and I to discuss important details relative to the research day, such as research day procedures, attorneys' arguments, and the client's specific concerns to be addressed by the Magnus research team. A customized questionnaire is written based on reviewing the case documents and discussing the specifics of the case with the client. Prior to departing for the research site, considerable work takes place on logistical details and finalizing research plans. Details includes planning meeting room layouts, table placements, food, and beverage. The day before the research, the Magnus team packs all the essential equipment and departs to the research location, which is typically located in the trial venue. Once at the facility, the team sets up the meeting space. This involves cameras, microphones, AV cables, monitors, closed-circuit TVs, projectors, and a projector screen. The closed-circuit TV is used so that our clients can watch the attorney's presentations and deliberations live. Webcasts are also available for anyone on the trial team who would like to participate remotely. Magnus also provides other equipment to the attorneys for use during their presentations. The big day is the research day. The Magnus team finalizes the setup and the mock jurors start to arrive. A Magnus team member rescreens the jurors in order to make sure everyone is qualified to participate. Once the jurors are rescreened and given a juror number, they fill out a confidentiality agreement and an initial survey. The survey is used to get their initial responses before they hear anything about the case. After the jurors complete their paperwork, the attorney's arguments or presentations begin. The arguments are recorded and shown on TVs for the clients to watch live in an observation room. Jurors often complete surveys between the arguments to track their opinions of the case on an ongoing basis. After the arguments are completed, the jury instructions and verdict forms are read and the jurors deliberate. Depending on the number of jury verdicts to be obtained, the jurors are divided into deliberations groups. There are multiple groups for each case to increase the certainty of the results.
Was there negligence on the part of defendant, which was a legal cause of the death? So let's take a vote for those that say yes. Raise your hands. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. A no? 2. Okay. 6 to 2.
The deliberations are recorded and shown live on closed-circuit TV in an observation room. Our clients have the opportunity to see and hear what the jurors think about their case and why they decide the case in a particular way. After reaching the verdict, the mock jurors complete a survey to assess their individual opinions about the case. Often, jurors' individual opinions vary from the opinion of the group. A focusing session is conducted once the deliberations have concluded. A consultant will ask the jurors questions, for example, the reasoning behind their decision-making, what-if questions, and regarding information they would need in order to make a more informed decision about the case. The jurors are then asked to verbally agree to the confidentiality agreement, and this concludes the research day. The Magnus team returns to our office on the day after the research and begins the data entry process. All of the individual juror surveys are compiled and scanned into the computer. The surveys are statistically analyzed. The data are translated into charts and included in the final report provided by Magnus to our client. The videos from the research day are edited and placed on the portal for the client to view, download, and share with their clients. A comprehensive report is written for the client. The report includes statistical analyses of survey responses, qualitative analyses of the jurors' discussions, and recommendations for enhancing the outcome of the case at arbitration, mediation, or trial. Once the report is finished, it is delivered to the client. The client usually receives the report within 3 weeks after the research day. A client feedback conference between Dr. Pigott and the client is conducted to discuss the report and plan for additional follow-up. This is a brief summary of some of the key functions performed by Magnus on all our clients' cases. Our excellence is the result of considerable hard work by everyone on the Magnus team on behalf of our clients.